This video here is going to show you how to set permissions for the Terrarium app. A few people have installed the Terrarium app and they hit deny, deny, deny on the permission settings. You need to allow the permissions on the storage device in order for Terrarium and the Yes player that's part of Terrarium to work properly. So what you're going to want to do is click on Setting Up Your Internet, and you're going to go to the far right tab that says Other, More Settings, and right here where it says App, you're going to double click the apps and you're going to scroll over to the right to where you see Terrarium. Now when you double click on Terrarium to launch it, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and see, okay, there it goes. You're going to go ahead and see where it says open, force stop, uninstall. This is where you can do any of those things, but you're going to want to go down to permissions right here, and you're going to want to make sure that the storage is active. See, when I installed it here, I made sure it was active. If you see it like this, Terrarium is not going to work properly with the Yes player. So you want to make sure you click that and have that showing as a green icon. The other ones don't need to be activated. So that's all you need to do, and then go back to the ISTV application, click on Terrarium, and everything should work fine.